First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been, oh, the way that things have been, oh. Second things second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea, oh, the master of my sea, oh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shooking me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the...
Happy birthday, Bella! Message ko sa'yo, sana maging mabait ka, masunurin at may takot sa Diyos. At sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Happy birthday!
Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana huwag mo nga alisin yung pagiging magalang mo sa matatanda. At sana lagi kang mag-pray kay God. At sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo. Love you!
Happy birthday, Bella!
Wishing you good health and of course more birthdays to come. Sana lumaki kang mabait, God-fearing, and be responsible enough to your parents especially.
Happy birthday, Bella!
Happy birthday and sana marami kang pang birthday na masasama.
Happy birthday, Bella! Wish ko sa'yo, sana maging matalino ka, pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral para matupad mo ang iyong mga pangarap. I love you!